Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing what are the messages for you for the last 15 days of April. So as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are trying to deal with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what are the messages for Sagittarians here. What are the messages for Sagittarians for the last 15 days of April? Okay, so we have the Temperance, the Five of Swords, okay, the Two of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles, Three of Cups, the Ace of Cups, the Seven of Swords, Eight of Swords, and the Ace of Wands. Ace of Swords. So Sagittarians, what I feel here is you are trying to balance a situation, trying to moderate a situation in a relationship. Okay, that's what I feel. There has been some sort of either an argument or some sort of a mind game or a manipulation. Something has happened here in a particular relationship which you are trying to sort it out or which you are trying to balance. Okay, so that you can restore the balance or restore the equation back. It's something like that. You want a commitment over here. Maybe you are trying to mend a friendship. It can be that also. Maybe you're trying to do that because we have the Three of Cups over here, Ten of Pentacles. So definitely you are dealing with a long-term stable connection over here. That is what you are planning to do. So you're moderating a fight in a connection, wanting to have a stability and a long-term commitment. That is what you want. And with the Three of Cups and the Ace of Cups, what I feel is I think you are able to do that. With the Three of Cups, it is reunions, happiness, celebrations, partying. And with the Ace of Cups, there is a new beginning. A beautiful emotional new beginning is here. Either you opening up or the other person opening up. So what I feel is you are definitely moderating some sort of a mind game, manipulation. Something has happened in the past which you have balanced or you're trying to balance here, and you are attaining stability in this situation. Okay, and you are very very happy in this situation, and it is a totally opening up of new love. It's something like that here. And then we have the Seven of Swords, the Eight of Cups, Ace of Wands, and the Ace of Swords. So what I feel here is that somebody is definitely doing some sort of cheating over here. Somebody is lying to someone. Somebody is either hiding their feelings from you or from somebody else. But yes, somebody here is lying, cheating, doing something secretly. Okay, and see, what I feel here is somebody here is leaving somebody who was lying to them or cheating on them. It's something like that, and this person is moving or leaving somebody here. So whatever it was which was being hidden or lied or cheating, somebody was doing that. The other person is leaving that situation and moving towards this new beginning with a lot of passion. So there is emotion, there is clarity, there is passion in the relationship which the other person is, somebody here is moving towards, leaving behind someone who's been cheating on them or lying on them or deceiving them in some way. Okay, so somebody is leaving a cheater behind. That's what I feel. So perhaps here with the Five of Swords, somebody was playing mind games over here, and somebody here is trying to restore the balance in their life with a new situation or a new relationship here. It can be that. Okay, it may be you, it may be them. So somebody here is trying to balance or a sort out a situation or balance the situation in their own life, because somebody had played on them. It may be you, it can be somebody else, and maybe now you are the new person entering their life, who is, and you are helping them to restore the balance in their life. Because here with the Seven of Swords, what I feel is somebody else was lying and cheating on this person, and now they're leaving a cheater behind. So maybe this Five of Swords was that energy of the cheater. This person was playing mind games, and now they have left this person. They're leaving a cheater for you, Sagittarians. That's what I feel. Somebody here is leaving a cheater who was playing mind games for you, and they are moving towards you with a lot of emotions, and this is giving them a lot of happiness. Yes, with the Queen of Hearts, a lot of stability, a lot of healing, a lot of spirituality, balance being restored. That is a very beautiful meditation. Healing is being there in this connection. Guidance from the angels. Healer of thought. It is time to clean up your life. Get rid of anything that clutters your space or makes you disorganized. People who take from you but don't give back should be released as well. You or the another person involved in this situation is wise, insightful and caring, has a wonderful sense of humor and offers a lot of life experience. So that is the guidance from the angels. So definitely what I feel is, what I'm getting here is somebody here amongst both of you is leaving a cheater behind and moving towards you, and being with you is giving them a lot of stability and happiness. It's something like that. So Sagittarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.